In this video, I'll show you how you can use openart absolutely for free. Openart is a platform that allows you to access all the latest image and video generation models in one place, without the need to switch between different tools or pay for each model separately, saving you both time and money. To get started, simply click on the first link provided in the description, which will take you directly to the openart website. Once you sign up, you'll receive 40 free credits. While 40 credits are quite limited, you can easily increase them by clicking on the icon next to your credit balance. As you can see, by following openart on various social media platforms, you can earn an additional 300 credits, giving you a total of 340 credits, more than enough to explore and test all the premium features available on the platform. If you face any issues claiming your free credits, I've also created a detailed video on the process, which is linked in the description. I've already used some of my credits to generate videos and images, which is why I currently have 125 credits remaining. Once you've received your 340 credits, you'll notice that the openart dashboard offers multiple options. You can create stories, music videos, character vlogs, explainer videos, and even ASMR videos. In the video section, you can generate videos using text-to-video, image-to-video, element-to-video, lip-sync, and motion sync features. For images, you can create, edit, or chat to edit images, while the character section allows you to design consistent characters for use across your videos and images. In the audio section, openart integrates directly with ElevenLabs, allowing you to generate speech or voiceovers without needing a separate ElevenLabs subscription. On the left panel, you can also access all these options easily. Let's start by generating a video. I'll select the video option, which takes us to the video generation page. Here you'll see multiple creation methods, such as text-to-video, image-to-video, element-to-video, and audio-to-video. We'll stick to text-to-video for now. You can select your preferred model. Kling 2.5 is selected by default, which is an excellent choice. Other available models include CDance, Kling 2.1, Sora 2 by OpenAI, 1.2.5, VO3, Minimax, and more. Openart allows you to access all these models in one place, without managing multiple subscriptions or accounts. In the prompt section, you can enter anything, for example, a cat flying an airplane. I'll keep the Enhanced Prompt option enabled, which uses 1 credit to make your prompt more detailed and produce higher quality results. You can also choose to add sound or speech, enable lip sync for characters, and select voices from ElevenLabs. Openart offers customization options you won't find even in individual AI generation tools. Under Settings, you can set the video duration either 5 or 10 seconds. Keep in mind that longer videos require more credits. For instance, a 10-second video costs 210 credits, so I'll stick with 5 seconds, which costs 110 credits. You can also choose the aspect ratio, cinematic, portrait, or square. I'll select cinematic. After setting up, I'll click Create, and the generation process will begin. Since we're using the free plan, it may take a bit longer than on paid plans, which generate faster. While it processes, let's explore other features. Under Image to Video, you can upload an image and describe what you'd like to happen in the video. Under Element to Video, you can drag and drop up to 7 images representing different elements, describe the actions in detail, and generate a cohesive video. There's also an option to add audio or lip sync to existing videos by simply uploading them. The lip sync tool supports multiple models, and there's even a video upscaler powered by Topaz Labs, known for its outstanding upscaling quality, allowing you to enhance resolution up to 4K and frame rates up to 120 FPS. There are also motion sync and restyle video options. Once our video finishes generating, we can play and download it directly to our computer. On the right side of the interface, you'll see all generation details, the model used, your original prompt, and the enhanced AI prompt, which transformed a simple idea into a highly detailed concept. You can also choose to upscale your video if needed. Now, moving on to image generation, click the Image option in the left menu. Here you'll find a wide range of tools: image upscaling, model training, bulk image creation, blending, stylizing, facial expression changes, magic brush editing, and more. The 3 main options are Create Image, Edit Image, and Chat to Edit Image. I'll select Create Image, which opens the image generation dashboard. Similar to videos, you can select a model. By default, Seed Dream 4.0 is chosen, though openart offers a vast selection of models like Nano Banana, Flux Content, and many others. This variety makes OpenArt extremely convenient, as you can access nearly all popular AI image models from one platform. I'll stick with Flux Context Model. In the prompt section, I'll enter horses running on a Martian surface and enable Auto Enhance for a more descriptive prompt. You could also upload reference images, but I'll skip that for now. Under Output Settings, I'll select a 1:1 ratio and set the resolution to 4K, which will consume 12 credits. I'll generate 2 images and click Create. While it's generating, let's look at the editing tools. You can drag and drop images for editing, use in-painting, object removal or expansion features, or use Chat to Edit to modify images through text prompts. You can even choose specific models for editing. There's also a character creation section for designing reusable characters, an image upscaler that offers modes like precise, refined, or creative, and a trainer section to train your own custom model. The bulk create option lets you generate multiple images simultaneously. Once our image is finished generating, you can view and download them directly. As you can see, both generated images look impressive and align well with the prompt. Each image also includes detailed generation data, and editing options are easily accessible on top. Downloading is as simple as clicking the download button. The image quality is excellent. Each file is about 2 megabytes, and the details hold up well even when zoomed in. In this way, you can fully utilize OpenArt for free by using the 340 credits earned through social media engagement, which is sufficient to test nearly all the features. Once your free credits run out, you could upgrade to a paid plan by clicking the Upgrade option. Paid plans include Essential for $14 per month for 4,000 credits, Advanced for $29 per month for 12,000 credits, Infinite for $56 per month for 24,000 credits, and Team for $35 per month for 12,000 credits. However, if you choose the annual plan using my referral link, you'll receive 50% off, making the Essential plan just $7, Advanced $14.50, Infinite $28, and Team $17.50 per month. Annual plans offer better value than monthly ones. Advanced and Infinite plans also let you top up credits anytime if your monthly balance runs out, providing flexibility and convenience. You can even adjust or cancel your plan monthly if needed. Each plan includes unique additional features, which you can view by scrolling down on the pricing page. Simply click Subscribe to purchase your preferred plan and continue creating stunning images and videos effortlessly in one place. That's all about how to use OpenArt for free.